Here is the demolition of the Cordova Inn on Folsom Boulevard. They've already taken the whole complete first story, and the second story is coming down. Right over there, if you need any free mattresses, they got the hookup on them right there. So it works. I'd take it. Huh? They're like pulling stuff out of it. It's on the wheels. I don't know what it is. Oh, I don't know what that is. Big pile of junk. It's a big pile of junk. That's probably just recycle stuff. We found the pool. We didn't even know it was here the whole time. Oh, if I put it here, you can see better. Looks like I spray in water.
Otherwise, it's hard to find.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. People sleep. People sleep on that. We just found out that these were cottages that the hotel owned. We always thought this was just some sort of rental property that somebody owned, but this was owned by the hotel. And they're tearing these down as well. I don't know what they're doing, but they're pumping some sort of something in there to clean it. They got these, I guess they're filters coming out the front of the house, but it's all taped off. And they've been working on these for a couple days. They're coming down.